Oh, I can pay for my grinder, snog a random man, gallivant round Iberia, speak a language you don't understand. Well, if you I cannot comprehend us. I can take myself to the pub, and I will pass my exams. Yeah, I can love me better than you can.
Hello everyone, Darth Vegan here from Gibraltar, and that there is the convent, the office of the governor of Gibraltar. I don't know what this building is, but it's nice. And I've got a nice scoreboard from the day. It's a nice pattern though of the coat of arms of Gibraltar. Short of which, put the camera on. I have found a new addition to my collection. It will make a fine addition to my collection. Yeah, this is the flag of Gibraltar. Quite nice, I suppose. Red and white. Kind of looks like the Polish flag, but there's a big building with a key on it. So, yeah. Now, I want to actually go up the rock, you know, and see the monkeys. I was gonna walk, but it took me a while to actually get here. It's supposed to take 11 minutes, but I'm pretty sure it took way longer than that. Basically, my left ankle isn't feeling too great. Pain there, but so I'm gonna head up on the cable car. Here we go with the cable car then. Oh, it's quite quick. This one. So yeah, up there, got some macaque monkeys. I'm really looking forward to seeing them. Yeah, it's the midpoint there, and then right at the top there. Found it, it's 20 quid to just go up and down. Oh yeah, they drive on the right hand side. That's not a good example of it because this is a one-way road. But yeah, they do genuinely drive on the right hand side. Oh. Anyway, yeah. Why are they driving on the left? They're just proving my point. No. Sure they drive on the right hand side of the road. Gibraltar. And it's fitting with Spain, I guess. Oh, and you have the option here. Either paying in pounds or in euros. It's quite nice. Actually, running on the right hand side of the road. No. My point stands. I think these are the steps that lead up there to the rock. Oh. I think so. Hey, I'm here on the road, which doesn't seem safe at all, I must say. Just, you know, as soon as I came out, car literally went past. Finish right because I'm going straight up there anyway. I know it's called the Rock, but I didn't realise quite how rocky the rock would be. This here is the Devil's Gap battery, and 1902. Okay, this is a gun. big old gun, and oh, there's a view from out here actually. There's another gun, and I think that's a bunker up there. You can see Spain, and you can also see Morocco. I don't think I've ever seen Africa before. Well, yeah, since yesterday, so I suppose I saw it yesterday coming on the bus, but yeah. Actual Africa. Over there. Wow. Oh, I don't even know if I'm gonna go all the way to the top to be honest with you. Because I kind of just want to see the monkeys, and there's some monkeys. You see where that is over there? And I don't need to go all the way up there. Yeah. I'm really thirsty though. I regret refusing to pay the fare for the car. Actually, no. No, hold on. It costs us extra. I'm pretty sure for the nature reserve as well. But yeah. But yeah, I just had to pay to actually enter the nature reserve. Basically to see the monkeys. 18 quid. Cable car mid station, and then that's Prince Ferdinand's Battery. So the Ape Den must be up here. Why is it called the Ape Den when they're monkeys? Monkey! Just a monkey! So there's a couple of monkeys in the tree. Down there. There's a little baby monkey. And their parents, of course. Down there. The little baby. Oh. This is incredible. I love this. There's monkeys climbing the stairs. Oh. Oh, that one has a baby. Having
some light that keeps going on and off there, and it's just making it all very. I've got like a rainbow angel, mate.
Okie dokie, so it's been actually that long in the cave. Maybe I should have been there longer, but there wasn't that much to see, to be honest. Other than the lights and stuff. There were a few monkeys hanging around as well. But yeah. Just had some dinner actually. And heading down mountainside. We're going to see the monkeys again, and yeah. I just want to go for a drink somewhere, you know. So, yeah, as you can see, the monkeys are just munching on melon. And the pigeons are getting in on it as well. So, okay, there's a monkey over there. These are called the Union Jack steps, and wow, quite impressive. Alright, so just enjoying Desperados by the docks. I think Richard Nixon was here. It's on the site of Watergate. Alright, so just trying out tonight, and we have a cat here. So it's quite nice, and I'm gonna have an early night because oh god, my train is at like 11 o'clock, and it took me somewhere in the region of 4 hours to get from the train station to the hostel. So doing the reverse might take about soon. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, maybe think about subscribing. As always, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.